All right. Let me ask each of you this, because I consider all of you students of the U.S. Supreme Court. What do you think will be the impact on the United States Supreme Court and people's respect for it as a result of this leak about the draft opinion in the Mississippi abortion case? We'll start on this end, and then I'll let Professor Payne rest a minute.
It was already on. You know, it's an empirical question. I really couldn't say. I think that the leak, the substance of the leak, which shows that the court is going against the majority of the country, is much more damaging to the legitimacy than the leak itself.
Thank you, Professor.
Well, the leak last night's obviously outrageous and should be taken very seriously, but I have a lot of confidence in the court and the American public, and I think that the Supreme Court is going to rise above the circumstance and, as it's done for decades, apply the rule of law and issue a decision that it believes reflects the constitutional principles in the Dobbs case and all others, and trust that the Chief Justice and the court will be able to resolve and issue an honest opinion quickly.
Okay. Professor Frost?
I think the leak was unethical, but I do not think it will damage the court. And I think far more damaging to the court was the failure to fill a seat for nearly a year when a nominee by then President Obama was pending and not acted upon.
Okay. Professor, you're a professor too.
Thank you. I think the leak was seismic, devastating, and heartbreaking. It should go without saying that the Supreme Court can't fulfill its Article III responsibility if drafts of opinions are leaked and circulated for what appear to be political purposes. That said, I do think the Supreme Court is fully capable of keeping its eye on the ball and deciding this case ultimately through a final official published opinion in the way that the law and the Constitution command.
Professor Payne?
I think the leak was highly inappropriate, and it also raises the question of what are the specific rules that apply to the officials and the employees in the Supreme Court, because it's not clear about their duty of confidentiality as opposed to the duty of confidentiality for all of the other clerks across the lower courts.
Okay, thanks to you all.
So we have as people arrive and step out, we have a new list, new order of proceeding, which is Senator Blumenthal, Senator Graham, Senator Durbin,